So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with lots of important internship drives. So if you are from the 2026 pass out graduate or 2027, then this could be the best opportunity for you because now IIT means various IIT are hiring, and for the intern role, IIT Jammu and other important IITs are launching. Okay, IIT Delhi. So first important, that is for the role of summer research fellowship program and SRFP, and almost every IITs have opened their hiring. So I will provide all the apply link in the description. So before applying, I will suggest go through the link. Okay, go through all the details and apply before the deadline. Okay, so summer research fellowship program 2026 for UG and PG students, IIT Delhi, and is providing opportunity for exceptionally qualified undergraduate and MD MTech students for the research. Okay, so last date to apply is 3 April, and make sure to go through complete details. So for this row, this is timeline is period of 8 weeks. So आपको 8 weeks लिए करना होगा, and cost of travel, train, these all this, and from IIT Delhi. Okay, means they will basically pay you. So who are eligible? Any graduate student except IIT Delhi who has completed at least 2 years of study toward engineering, means third year students can apply. They have clearly mentioned that 2 year जिन्होंने complete कर लिया भाई उनको apply कर सकते हैं. So I will suggest everyone you should apply and apply with good details. Okay, and the application format, they have said that up to upload the following documents while filling the form: photograph, consolidated grade card, rank certificate, and no objection certificate, that is NOC from your college. So this is a great opportunity. I will suggest everyone from third year, fourth year, you should apply for this role. Next important opportunity, that is from the IIT Jammu, same role hiring. Okay, and program duration is 4 to 6 week, extended to 2 months, and it might be extended to 6 months. So starting date is June first week, and mode it will be online and offline and on campus IIT Jammu. So if you are interested, you can just contact them and you can apply that. Okay, I will provide all the apply link in the description, and this will be a great opportunity, and you can get a great job. Means your basically CV will be improved. Okay, isn't it? The tag, IIT tag, which you will get, that is basically beneficial for you. So friends, we regularly post lots of important job update on my YouTube channels and related to internship and all those stuff. So you can basically subscribe us. We have recently posted the internship related to eBuy. So eBuy also announced the internship, and besides that, we post lots of important things. So if you're interested, you can apply. And especially I will urge those students who are in third year, start preparing for the NQT and other company hiring. Especially आपको coding पे भाई focus ज़्यादा दे, DSA, DBMS and other important topics पे भाई आप लोग ध्यान दें. So if you need any dedicated video, must comment here. You need the preparation video or not. Okay, currently I'm just focusing for the fourth year because they are in the verge of completing their graduation. So that's why I providing more, but soon we'll provide lots of important internship and push lots of video related to preparation and strategy. So for that, you can just subscribe us, and कोई भी query हो, you can just contact me ना. You can contact me from Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, or you can just, we can connect on LinkedIn too. So कोई भी query है, we are here to help you, and we will here till you will get the placement and after that too. So you can subscribe us. And Nestle internship has already been announced. We will already provide update, so you will get lots of perks and benefit from Nestle. So if you haven't gone through that video, just go through it and apply. These are the some important opportunity, and don't miss it. Don't just stuck to your college syllabus. Try to basically move out from that scenario or that area. So keep applying and keep learning, keep growing. मिलते हैं next video में.